everyone, and welcome to my channel, Meg Victoria. So for those of you who don't know me, I'm a pro makeup artist, and today I often show you guys beautiful conceptual makeup looks, but I couldn't do that today. I really needed a self-care, self-pampering day, and I know you guys know what I'm talking about. Life gets crazy, life gets stressful, and honestly with Halloween, that like big bang of Halloween, I'm just like, okay, I've put makeup on my face like 20 million times the last 2 weeks. I just need to like strip away, have new regenerated skin, feel good, exfoliate, and just, you know, take care of ourselves from the inside out. We're all about like makeup and fun on the channel. I totally get that. But you know what? There's some days where you just need to cleanse, feel good, and I've had some not so great days lately. So this was kind of my little pick-me-up. So I really hope this helps you, and I hope you enjoy it. And with that said, let's get the shower running. When I get in the shower, this is my time. Turn on the water and just cleanse the day away. Let the hot water just feel lovely and warm, and just that you're now home and you're safe and you're done being out in the world. And you can just take a moment to be yourself again. So I like the water go through my hair, wash away all of the day, and then let's start our actual shower routine. So I am someone who definitely shampoos twice. I'm using this Schwarzkopf Repair shampoo, and I like to really focus this into the roots and really cleanse the scalp. That's my first time going through with the shampoo. So I really let that go right through, and then I rinse it out and I start again. I always find that when you wash your hair twice, it just seems to set up more, and there's just more like that soapy clean feeling. So I rinse the shampoo out, and then my next favorite step is this green tea hair mask. I put this right at my scalp, and it just invigorates the hair. You get this really beautiful cooling sensation of like mint, green tea, and tea tree oil that really cleanses the scalp of any impurities. So I like to just really work that through my hair, and then when I feel like it's good enough, I usually alternate between these two masks, but we're gonna use the repair mask today, and I take a pretty big handful of that and I work that through the ends of the hair, and I really just try and work it from about mid-shaft all the way to the end. Then I tie up my hair so it's out of the way and that mask can sit in. So I have both masks now. Then I take my body scrub. This is delicious, it smells amazing, and it just is so luxurious to treat yourself with. So I like to apply my sugar scrub all over the body and really just kind of like have a moment with this. It smells nice, it feels nice, and just really be mindful of everything that I'm doing and how wonderful it's feeling. So now I can do my cleanser. So I use this beautiful charcoal cleanser, and I've really been loving it lately, and I apply that all over the face. I like to use my hands just for a little bit, just to spread the cleanser, and then I really invigorate the skin with my Clarisonic. I really, really love my Clarisonic. Then I can just rinse and just enjoy the hot water and enjoy just a moment to reflect and just think about life, and just, we all do our best thinking in the shower, right? It's what makes us human. But I really enjoy this step, and then I rinse everything out, and voila, we are done our shower. So now stepping out of the shower, I like to just rinse off my face and dry my body. I try and squeeze the water out of my hair without really being rough and tough. I put a towel turban on, and then I put my fluffy robe. The texture and luxury of a fluffy robe, oh, I can't even speak more about it. I absolutely love it. So I just make sure my face is clean. Then I head to my vanity to do some skincare. The after shower part is honestly probably my favorite to get the beautiful glowing skin. So first I'm gonna start with the Skin Fix exfoliating pads. These are super gentle, so you can use them daily. Just exfoliate the skin lightly with that exfoliant. Then I'll use my Estee Lauder serum and apply this lightly just all over my face, just really rubbing it in and giving some nice moisture to the face. After I rub in the serum and it feels so nice, I'm gonna grab my eye cream. I love this eye cream. It's honestly my favorite. I haven't switched any eye creams since I started with this one. So I just pat that under my eyes really gently. Then I move on to a nice thick cream. Because the weather is getting colder, I really like a thicker cream. So this Estee Lauder Revitalizing Cream has been my go-to. I really slather this on thick and it just feels amazing. I always use a leave-in conditioner for my hair. It needs the moisture, so I use this Schwarzkopf leave-in conditioner, and I spray that through the hair, and oh my god, it smells like grapefruits, oceans, and fresh starts. It's so good. I love it. So then I'm going to use some Auquofor, and I just apply this to my lips just to hydrate my lips. This is so simple. You can get this at the drugstore. It's super cheap. And lastly, Skin Fix hand cream is amazing. It makes your hands so soft, and I use my hands all the time with my work, and just I lift weights, so I really love using a great hand cream. Then we're all done our skin, but the last step is treating ourselves to a really luxurious body butter and just making our skin feel amazing, smell amazing, and just having that self-love moment with ourselves and just appreciating ourselves and feeling beautiful in the skin we're in. So guys, that is the video. I know this was a little bit different. I really hope you did enjoy. I had a lot of fun making this, and I feel so much better after, you know, giving myself the love I deserve. And there we have it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.